Hey, hello everyone. Welcome back to yet another video on this channel. I'm your host, Apka Consultant, and this is a follow video for all of those who have not received your Microsoft 100% discount voucher yet. And I have received so many comments on my recent video. As you can see, people are asking and commenting that they have completed the playlist on 8th of June. They have received the batch but not received the voucher yet. I got the mail from Credly, only the batch, no voucher, right? So people are commenting, with their doubts that they have not received the voucher yet. They have received the batch though. So for all of those who have completed your playlist, you can stay relaxed and don't take tension, because everything this is normal. And I will cover in today's video that what are the timelines. So yeah, this is the website of AI Skills Navigator, as you all are aware. And as you can see, I am on the AI Skill Fest, and they are saying thanks for showing up, learning, and building momentum. So if you can see this section of did you finish a playlist, right? Questions here. So if I click on this one, it will open up an PDF where it says, thank you for participating in AI Skill Fest, looking for your free certification voucher. So yeah, all of those who are commenting on my channel that when will they receive the voucher. So Microsoft have clearly mentioned that if you completed a playlist and submitted a voucher claim, you will receive your voucher asterisk via email from Pearson between 19th June to 10th of July. So this is the timeline. Basically, they will start sending the vouchers from 19th June to 10th of July. So for those of you who have received the voucher earlier, I am assuming that it is your corporate email ID. That is why you have received a voucher earlier. For those of you who have not received, I request you to stay patient till this timeline, and you will receive your voucher between this time period, right? And I'm sure all of you must have received your badges, and I see many of you have posted your badges on LinkedIn as well. So yeah, this is a quick frequently asked questions. They prepared this PDF. All of your doubts will be covered in this one. You can go through your questions, right? So if you will receive your voucher between 19th to the 10th of July, this is covered. The badge you have already received. And again, this was a skill fest, so the winners will be notified by 22nd June. If any of you have participated, there are 3 marquee winners, 25 premium prize winners, etc. And yep, another thing is these vouchers are valid till 18th of August, which I have covered in my previous video. So you can check out, and you can take your exams by 18th of October, right? So yeah, you have to apply before 18th and give your exam before 18th October to August, right? So yeah, on Microsoft website. So yeah, these are the common questions I have been receiving on my channel. So thought of creating this video to give you correct and clear cut answer that you will receive a voucher between this time period. So yeah, just a short video, and thanks for watching.